fix HMA Pro connection issues on Linux. If you cannot connect to the VPN using your Linux system, we recommend that you try the following steps. 1. In case you use PPTP or L2TP connections, via terminal or network manager, make sure that you are using your special IPsec password. It can be found by logging into the VPN control panel. 2. If you connect using the Use the OpenVPN registered protocol, via terminal or network manager, ensure that you are using your main HMA account password. 3. Try to connect to several different VPN servers using all available protocols. 4. If you can connect to the VPN, but you cannot browse, check your DNS settings and apply OpenDNS or Google DNS servers to your network adapter. There are 2 ways to change your DNS settings, changing the /etc/resolve.conf file. Open the terminal, and type the following commands: sudo echo name server 208.67.222.22/etc/resolve.conf, sudo echo name server 208.67.220.22/etc/resolve.conf. You can also use a text editor such as Vim, Nano, or Emacs to change the servers. In this case, just input name server 208.67.222.222 and name server 208.67.220.220 to the file. 5. Changing the settings via Network Manager. You can follow this guide, which applies to most Linux operating systems with Network Manager. If you experience short or unstable connections, there might be an issue with a firewall on your system. Try temporarily disabling the firewall by entering the following set of commands in your terminal: sudo f sudo x sudo p input drop sudo p output accept sudo p forward drop sudo a input ilo j accept sudo a input m state related established j accept.